Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. If you've recently set up your Vizio TV or lost your local channels, today I'm going to show you how to scan for channels in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparing your TV. First, make sure your antenna or cable is securely connected to the coaxial input on the back of your Vizio TV. If you're using an antenna, position it in a place where it can receive the strongest signal. Camera shows the host adjusting the antenna and turning on the TV. Step 2. Accessing the settings menu. Now, grab your remote and press the menu button. Using the arrow keys, scroll down to highlight the tuner option and press OK. Highlight the tuner option on the screen. Step 3. Selecting your input source. In the tuner settings, you'll need to choose the correct input source. Select antenna if you're using an over-the-air antenna, or cable if you're connected to a cable TV service. Step 4. Starting the channel scan. Once your input source is set, scroll to Auto Channel Scan and press OK. Your TV will begin scanning for available channels. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. During the scan, your TV will detect all the channels available in your area. It's a good idea to avoid moving the antenna while this process is happening. Step 5. Checking your channels. Once the scan is complete, you can exit the menu and start flipping through your newly added channels. If you don't see all the channels you were expecting, try repositioning your antenna and scanning again. Conclusion. And that's it. You're now set up to enjoy all your local and cable channels on your Vizio TV. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.